Not every motorcycle problem needs expensive tools or complicated repairs. Sometimes, a simple modern idea can make a big difference. This method helps fix a common issue in a practical way, using basic logic and controlled force. It's not about rushing the repair. It's about doing it properly. Smart solutions come from experience, not shortcuts.
A sua pedaleira estiver assim, ó, caída, galera, dá pra ver, ó, o certo é ficar aqui, ó. Olha, tá caído, ó. Olha, galera, a solução, trava da corrente, ó. Você só bota aqui, ó, no fundo aqui, galera, ó.